Hi, welcome to 5 Minute Friday. Today I'm going to very briefly talk about this. This is the new Adams bucket. This is the complete kit. So it comes assembled kind of like you're seeing here without the wheels attached. I like the way that the wheels lock in. So they slide into a pocket on the bottom, as you can see here. Snaps into place. You get a positive click. There is a release that needs to be pushed to remove them. 2 of the wheels have locks and 2 of the wheels do not. I chose to put those on the front. The wheels are a 2-inch caster. And it does have a drain in the front of the bucket, which I find interesting. I'm not sure if it's something that I would use very often, but it's here. So we're gonna play around with it and see how it works. And I like what they did with the lid. The lid is actually like a foam rubber, so you can sit on it and have it be comfortable. There is a lock when you have the handle up that this lid cannot be removed. When you put the handle down, you can of course remove the lid. This is what it looks like. You can see that there are rubber stoppers here, as well as the rubberized seat. So it is fairly nice to sit on. The inside of the bucket, you will find 2 grit guards. There's this one that's an upper guard for like tool storage or accessory storage. That goes in like that. And then there is a lower one that looks like this that sits in the bottom of the bucket. So far it seems interesting. I honestly feel like it's expensive. I'll get into that. I'm gonna do a bucket video with this and a Yeti bucket and the OG buckets and talk about that. My first impression is that it's expensive. These aren't locked in, they just kind of sit. I would have liked to see some sort of positive locking where they actually like stay into place. Because as you heard, when you tip the bucket over, they fall out and they don't like go back into place where they were without you having to like intervene with it. So I would have liked to see those locking a little bit better. But I'm sure it's gonna work well, it's gonna serve the purpose. It's just, it's an expensive bucket. It's 150 bucks for a bucket, which is a little ridiculous. I got it with a 15% off coupon, so I paid, I don't know, 130 for it, something along those lines. And I threw one of these in the cart to try it. Yeah, it's interesting. Oh, there is also this tool tray. The tool tray snaps in the front, looks like this. And again, it just kind of locks into place with a quick push. Like that. So there we are, it's in place. They stuck a warning on the side of it to keep your children from drowning because babies can obviously read. I know it's not for them, it's for you. But we'll remove that. And yeah, that's it. It does have a badge on the front, but that badge is in the plastic. I think it looks good, it's nice and clean. I like the black color. But we'll play around with it. We'll see how it works. We'll mess around with this tool holder and stuff and see how that is. And we'll go from there. It is something different, right? So many people just release the same products over and over and over again. At least it's something that's different, that they thought outside the box and created something for themselves. So kudos to them for that. My first impressions, it's not my favorite. I have 2 other buckets here that I like a little bit more than it, that both cost less, but we'll play around with it. Maybe once I'm actually using it to wash a car, maybe there's some things that I'll like about it a little bit more. So thank you for watching this 5 Minute Friday. Have a great day.